This teacher Mark. Our lesson for today is understanding quadrilaterals. So first, you need to know the chart for quadrilaterals family. So this is trapezoid and parallelogram. And parallelogram dissect into two, rhombus and rectangle. And last part is the square. So these are the charts for understanding quadrilateral. As you can see, this it is also called a quadrilateral family. Okay, so let's know more about. So polygon, a closed plane figure made up of segments. So segment is a connecting two different points on line and forms. As you can see, this is the difference between the line and a segment. So line has an arrow, but the segment has a common endpoints. So it connects two different points on line forms. Understanding quadrilaterals. So this is quadrilateral, a four-sided polygon. If a triangle is a three-sided polygon, therefore a four-sided is what you call quadrilateral, and it's also called quadgons. So these are the example, as you can see at the quadrilateral family chart. So a parallelogram, quadrilateral with two pairs of parallel side. As you may see, it has a two parallel side, and it is common. The measurement of that is common. As you can see, I use some markings to identify the two different, the two same measurement. For example, this is a 3, and therefore that is 3, and this is 5, and this is 5. Okay. So as you can see in the main definition of parallelogram, there are two parallel sides. So this one, the first set, they are parallel, so they are as long as you extend that, they will not meet. Okay, but and another set is this one. If you extend this to this one, they will not meet in also for that way. So therefore, quadrilateral with two pairs of parallel sides, that is parallelogram. Rhombus, a parallelogram with four sides of the same length. So this is the same as with parallelogram. Again, they have a parallel side also. That doesn't mean two pairs. But the difference between the parallelogram and the rhombus has the same equal side. For example, that is 3, then this is 3, and this is 3. Okay? Aside from parallelogram, they are opposite sides are equal, but here, all sides are equal. So we can call that rhombus ABCD. Rectangle. Quadrilateral with two pairs of parallel side and four right angles. So how do we do that? So they have parallel side again, just like a parallelogram, but the difference between on it, their angle has a 90 degrees, or the square corner there. As you can see again and again, if you saw a square corner there, for that is exactly 90 degrees. Okay, so as you can see, they have the same properties with parallelogram, but the thing there is rectangle has a four right angle. So for example, this is 5, and this is 5 also, and this is 8, and this is 8 also. So this is the same with parallelogram as much as, but the parallelogram doesn't have four right angle. Square, a special rectangle with four sides of the same length and four right angle. So they are said that square is a combination of rectangle and parallelogram. Okay, so how do we do it? Let's analyze. So as you can see, they have a square corner. Okay, square corner that have with rectangle properties, and also all sides are equal. So for example, this is 3, and all of this is 3 also. So that, as you may see, if you figure out it, why is it like special rectangle? Because it has a perfect four-sided polygon. Okay, because it has a same angle measurement, which has a 90 degrees. All of it is 90 degrees, and same side are equal. So I think it has it has to be said that is special rectangle. Okay. So next, trapezoid. So trapezoid is quadrilateral that has only one pair of parallel side. So for example, what is that? So this part is the line segment AC and line segment BD are parallel, but not CD and so. Okay, so therefore, so you may see that is line segment BD is parallel to line segment AC. Okay, so that is what you call the trapezoid. So teacher Mark, can we tell if it is a trapezoid? Yes, even if it is downward, left side, left corner for it, as long as it has a one pair of parallel side. Okay. So remember, quadrilateral is a four-sided polygon and is also called the quadgons. And quadrilateral may be classified according to the measure of their sides and angles. For that, thank you and hope you learned something more.